Hello, welcome to Tots and Moms. I am Kavitha Prashanth. In today's video, we'll talk all about baby poop, the color, the texture, how many times if they poop it is okay and what is not okay, and all other details. So consider watching the video till the end. Everything is evidence-based detail which is given here, and I am sure it will be helpful. Most of the time these are standard details, and it does not hold good in front of what doctor decides. So these are standard instructions so that you can follow it, and whenever you meet doctor, when your baby is having any illness or issue, when doctor asks you what it was, you will be able to tell. And so let's dive right in without much ado. During the first year of the baby's life, everything gets changing very quickly. Like the baby poop, which was black in color initially, gets changed into a different color later, and the texture, the smell, everything changes when it is with respect to the poop. So a new mother worries most of the time on every minute thing, and this is a major worry. One must understand that a clean, happy stomach leads to a clean, healthy baby, and even it applies to us. So how many times if a baby poop is normal, we'll understand that first. At first, if a breastfed baby poops once in a week, no need to worry, it's absolutely fine. Breast milk is easily digestible and they get all the nutrients from it, and hence they poop maybe 2-3 days once, weekly once. It's considered to be okay, no need to worry at all. Formula milk is little tough to digest, and most of the babies who intake formula milk feel little difficulty in pooping. They are mostly constipated. So to ensure that their stomach, their digestion is going well, it is good if they poop daily once. You can support them by doing stomach massage. What else? Hing paste can be used. Many other baby stomach related videos I have posted. Instead of giving gripe water at home, you can follow many simple remedies. Do 1 or 2 which suits your baby. babystomachTAM is the hashtag. If you click on this should be there on our title in this video here. So I am creating hashtags so that videos could be easily collated and you can find all related videos at one place. If you find it difficult to check in the playlist for each and everything, if I start creating playlists, it will be too much for a person to understand. So hashtag is what I'm creating, and if you click on that, you will get everything related to it. What are the remedies to ensure that baby is pooping well? Even tummy time helps. So this is what you can do to help your baby. Formula fed baby to poop once in a day, or at least 2 days once should be okay. Now many of them complain that as soon as they feed the baby poops, and they get afraid if baby is getting nutrients of it, baby is growing well or not. So do not worry, baby's stomach is very small and they cannot intake too much, so that's why they poop it out. So very common, and if they are pooping each feed, it's okay. If they poop more than 2-3 times after a feed, like in a day, if they took breast milk for 6 times, only breastfed babies, if they took breast milk for 6 times and they pooped maybe 10-12 times, then you may have to worry and check with the doctor once, but absolutely fine. And when babies poop pebble like, very constipated, not at all comfortable, dehydration is the main reason. You will have to ensure you give enough breast milk or enough water for the grown-up baby. So this will help resolve. I'm planning to make a detailed video on home remedy for constipation, home remedy for diarrhea or loose motion, but please give me some time. I couldn't add it in the video because again it would become a very long video. We'll only talk about the color of the poop, texture, and what does it say in the next part. At first, if the baby's poop is black in color, it's great. Newborn baby poop meconium out of their body, and it consists of amniotic fluids, skin cells, mucus, water. So all of this should come out of the baby once they are out of a mother's womb. So a day or 2 they poop a blackish green tar, so it is absolutely fine. If this continues for more than a couple of days or a week, then it may be a matter of concern. You can just once talk to your doctor about this. Then if your baby is pooping yellowish seedy like thing, then if it is curd like, mucousy, it is mushy, you need not worry at all. Breastfed babies digest the milk well, and this is how they poop. It's okay. Now if the baby is pooping brownish thick like, then that's more because of the intake of solid, or formula fed baby poops like this. So mostly if it would be in different colors, because babies until an year or more than that do not digest the food completely. If they have had something brown in color, red in color, they poop would be in that color, and there is no need to worry if they are digesting the food well, if the food is giving them enough nutrients or not. It would be like that. How much ever you try, you mash it and give it, or you mix in a mixer grinder, completely make it into a puree form and give it, it would be like that. So need not worry at all. If it is green and runny sort, then you will have to check if it is because of an infection of bacteria or virus infection, or if it is a food allergy. Maybe once you can have a word with your doctor. If the baby poop is red in color, just ensure that it is not because of beetroot or strawberry or any red color food, and then check on if in the poop you find red spots like that. It can be that it may be blood in the poop, so once have a word again. Now if the baby's poop is black in color again, after the meconium has come out of baby's body, when a newborn baby it comes out, then it shouldn't happen. If it happens, again iron supplements or iron fortified milk can be one reason. If not, again something dark food they have eaten, like chocolate, which usually we don't give, but just check if any food is given which was black in color, it can be the reason. And yeah, it can also be due to bleeding in the digestive system. Like if you leave blood in a place for a while, it would turn black. So this is how, in case there is some internal bleeding and you can see black spots in baby's poop, have a word with your doctor whenever you meet next time. If it is not being very problematic currently, whenever you meet him next time, you just let him know. At last, if the baby's poop is white, chalky color, then it can be due to any liver problem. I am not saying it is because of it, then, but it may be one of the reason. Now bile juice is not reaching the digestive system correctly, or there is some blockage to small intestine that it is not entering the digestion system. So these can be the reason. Also it may be due to infection, food allergy, if something baby has had and baby it didn't suit the baby, some solid what you have given, food intolerance, allergy, bacteria or virus infection again, or bugs as well. Bugs in stomach, a worm in stomach can also cause this. So negate all these reasons. Otherwise, I have given you the standard instruction. What the color says is just a rough guideline. Don't go by it. A new parent worries about each and everything, so don't get scared. Have a word with your doctor. He's the better judge. And in our next video, we'll be talking about not yet planned, it would be mentioned here. So we'll see you soon in yet another video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. I keep posting videos in Hindi and English, and regular baby food, baby care videos would be coming in here. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye bye.